Becoming a software developer is an enriching journey that combines passion, logic, and creativity. Whether you are a beginner or looking to transition from another field, this guide will help you navigate the process. Start with a strong foundation in mathematics and logic. These are the building blocks for understanding how algorithms and programs work. Next, learn a programming language. Python, JavaScript, and Java are great choices for beginners due to their widespread use and supportive communities. Invest time in understanding the basics of syntax, data types, control structures, and basic algorithms. Once comfortable with a language, practice by building small projects. Projects like creating a simple game, a to-do list app, or a calculator not only make learning fun but also practical. As you gain confidence, explore data structures and algorithms. Understanding how to efficiently store and manipulate data is key to writing effective code. Consider formal education options such as computer science degrees or coding boot camps. These provide structured learning and mentorship. However, self-taught paths using resources like online courses and textbooks are equally valid. Participate in coding challenges and hackathons. These events provide real-world experience and the opportunity to learn from peers and mentors. Contribute to open-source projects. This not only hones your skills but also builds a portfolio that employers will value. Networking is crucial. Join local or online programming communities, attend conferences, and connect with professionals on platforms like LinkedIn or GitHub. Stay updated with industry trends and advancements. Follow tech blogs, subscribe to newsletters, and participate in forums. Knowledge of software development methodologies such as Agile and DevOps is valuable in modern development environments. Soft skills like problem solving, teamwork, and communication are equally crucial. Collaborate with other developers, work in teams, and present your projects. Apply for internships or entry-level positions. Practical experience in a professional setting is unmatched. Tailor your resume and cover letters to highlight relevant skills and projects. During interviews, be prepared to discuss your projects, solve coding problems, and demonstrate your thought process. Keep learning and evolving. The tech field is dynamic, with new languages, frameworks, and tools emerging frequently. Lifelong learning is a hallmark of a successful software developer. With dedication, practice, and perseverance, you can build a rewarding career in software development.